238 cabs. General provision cabs should be securely attached to the brace, maintain safe, suitable condition of service cabs and windows. The steam locomotive should provide undistorted view of the track. Signals for the crew of the normal position cab floor shall be kept with the tripping and the slipping hazards of the cab. Shall the climate should be maintained to provide environmental that it does not unreasonably interfere with the engine crew performance of the other duties under ordinary conditions of the service. Steam pipes shall be fastened to the cab. New construction and renewal made iron steel pipes greater than 1/8 of an inch of the NPS and are subject to the boiler pressure of the cabs and minimum wall thickness equivalent to Schedule to 80 pipes with properly related valves. The live system steam heating radiators must not be fastened to the cab. Steam exhaust steam radiators may be fastened to the cab. Oil burning steam locomotives, if the cab is enclosed, the oil burning steam locomotives take their combustion after the fire door opening shall have suitable conduity exceeding the fire door of the outside of the cab. 23081 General aprons. The approved general provision cab aprons shall be proper in length wide to ensure the safety of the cab aprons shall be securely high hinged, maintained in safe suitable condition for service from rough and other provision made to afford the secure footing with appropriate the cab appropriate for the sufficient width to prevent when the control pair disconnected safety chains and safety bars are taut to the aprons to drop in the meeting steam locomotive tender. 23082 Fire door. General provision. Each steam locomotive shall have fire door which shall latch securely with the closed and shall maintain the safe suitable condition for the service. The fire doors on oil burning locomotives shall be latched securely with an pin or key. Mechanically operated fire doors. Mechanically operated fire doors shall be constructed and maintained, and they may be operated pressure on the foot pedal. The otherwise suitable allowance located on the flat floor of the cab tender the suitable distance of the flab fire door so that they may be conveniently operated person for the firing the steam locomotive. Hand operated. The hand operated fire system the constructed and maintained the conveniently operated the person firing the steam locomotive. 23083 cylinder cock. Each locomotive shall be equipped with a cylinder cock which contain the operated cab steam locomotive. All cylinder cocks shall be maintained safe suitable condition and services. 23884 Steam locomotives shall be equipped with operable sands that deposit sands on the railhead in the front of the set of the driving wheel. Sanders shall be tested at the beginning of each day the locomotive is used. 23085 Audible warning devices. Generally, each steam locomotive shall be equipped with an audible warning device providing minimum sound level of 96 decibels at 100 feet in front of the steam locomotives in direction travel. The device should be arranged so that it may conveniently be operated to engineer his or her normal position in the cab. Methods of measurements the sound level shall be used and sound level meter conforming minimum requirements of the American National Society Institute S1.4 1971 Type 2 as a set of weighted slow response. The steam locomotive is on level of the length tangent of the track. Microphone shall be positioned 4 feet above the ground from the center of the line of the track shall be oriented with respect and sound source in accordance with the microphone manufacturer recommendations. 23086 Required illumination. General provision. Each steam locomotive between sunset and sunrise shall be equipped with an operable headlight and then provides illumination sufficient for a steam locomotive engineering to have the clear atmosphere. Dark objects as large as man average standing of at least 800 feet away ahead in front of such a headlight. If a steam locomotive is regularly required of the running backward for the portion of the trip other than the pickup of the dead portion of the train tracking to make terminal movements, all shall be equipped at the rear end of the operable headlight and capable of providing illumination described in paragraph A. Dimming devices. Such headlights will provide the device whereby lights shall be made to diminish in yard stations when meeting the trains when multiple locomotives are utilized. When 2 or more locomotives are used, the same train leading locomotive only will be required to display the headlight. 23087 Cab lights. Each steam locomotive shall have cab lights sufficiently illuminating the controls instrument meters gauges to allow the engine crew to make accurate reading usual proper position in the cab. The light shall be located in the constructed light while shining only on the parts of the requiring illumination does not interfere with the engine crew's vision of the track signals. Each steam locomotive shall have the convenient locally located additional lamp that can be readily turned on off. The person operating steam locomotive that provides sufficient illumination to read the training orders and timetables.